Okay, so now let's do the next problem. Here we are going to find the inverse of log of s into s plus 1 by s square plus 1. Okay, so we start with the frequency differentiation property. We know that the Laplace transform of t into x of t is equal to minus d by ds of x of s. Okay, minus d by d. So here x of s is this question, so that means minus d by ds of log of s into s plus 1 by s square plus 1. Okay, so now I'm going to expand this log function, so this will becomes minus d by ds of log of s, okay, plus log of s plus 1, okay, minus log of, this is denominator, so minus of log of s square plus 1. Okay, this is how we write. So now I'm going to put the differentiation inside the bracket, so this will become minus d by ds of log s. It will become minus d by ds of log of s plus 1. Okay, and here it will become minus of minus becomes plus, so plus d by ds of log s square plus 1. Okay, so now I'm going to differentiate each and every term. So the differentiation of the first term is minus of 1 by s, so minus 1 by s. The differentiation of the second term is 1 by s plus 1, so minus 1 by s plus 1. The differentiation of the second term is 1 by s square plus 1, so 1 by s square plus 1, and differentiation of this into 2s. Okay, so in other words, I could say that the Laplace transform of t of x of t is this one, right? Let me write that again. So that means the Laplace transform of t into x of t is equal to minus 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 1 plus 2s by s square plus 1. Okay, so therefore I can say that the Laplace inverse of this equation, or t into x of t, is equal to minus of Laplace inverse of 1 by s, okay, minus Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 1 plus 2 into Laplace inverse of s by s square plus 1. Okay, the Laplace inverse of this is u of t, the Laplace inverse of this is e raised to minus t u of t, this is s by s square plus ohm 0 square, so this is Laplace inverse of cos t u of t. So therefore t x of t into x of t is nothing but minus u of t minus e raised to minus t u of t, okay, plus 2 into cos t u of t. This is the value of t into x of t. So therefore your answer will be x of t, the inverse of the question. X of t is nothing but minus u of t by t plus e raised to minus t u of t by t plus 2 into cos t u of t by t. Okay, this is your answer. Or you can also write this as, if I take u of t common, let me take u of t common outside, and then I can rearrange this. So I can write this as 2 cos t plus e raised to minus t minus 1 by t into u of t. Okay, this is your answer. Likewise, let's know the next problem. So now if you can, again, if you want, you can pause this video and try to do this problem by yourself. Okay, So here also we know that the Laplace transform of t into x of t is equal to minus d by ds of x of s. Okay, so here your x of s is given by this question. So minus d by ds of log of s square plus a square by s square minus b square. Okay, so now expanding this will become minus d by ds of log of s square plus a square minus log of s square minus b square. Okay, now I'm putting the differentiation inside the bracket. This will become minus d by ds of log s square plus a square, minus or minus becomes plus d by ds log of s square minus b square. Okay, so the differentiation of this is minus 1 by s square plus a square into 2s. Okay, plus the differentiation of this is 1 by s square minus b square into 2s. Okay, or in other words, the Laplace transform of t into x of t, right, is nothing but minus 2s by s square plus a square plus 2s by s square minus b square. Okay, so therefore t into x of t is nothing but the Laplace inverse of this, that is minus 2 into the Laplace inverse of s by s square plus a square plus 2 into the Laplace inverse of s by s square minus b square. Okay, so in other words, this is s by s square plus ohm 0 square. So this is nothing but cos 80. This is cos 80, and here this is s by s square minus ohm 0 square, right? So this is cos h ohm 0 t. So this is cos h bt. So the answer is minus 2 cos 80 into u of t plus 2 into this is cos h bt into u of t, right? So therefore this is t into x of t. So x of t is nothing but let me take u of t also outside. So this will become let me write like this. So it will become 2 cos h bt minus 2 cos 80 by t into u of t. This is your answer. Okay.